Okay, here we are at emptying and cleaning station for chemical toilets. Now this one is actually on the Abbey Wood Caravan and Motorhome site in South London, but you don't see many of them around, but there are more and more of them appearing on some of the sites, so I thought we'd have a quick look at it and just see what it does. The whole idea and the concept is you put your toilet cassette in there, it empties it, it gives it a good power flush through, and then hands it back to you already with some chemicals inside to use. So I don't think it's a bad thing just to do it now and again, just to give it a good flush through. So looking at the instructions, first thing you have to do is put £2 in, which we'll do shortly, and then it gives you some steps to follow. Now step 2 and 3 are, once you've chosen the type of cassette you've got, that depends on which direction you go. Now this is our toilet cassette, so that is a C250, which is there, so we will go to step 2. So we'll go to step 2, we'll select that, then we'll press the start button. Then there's a little knob on the cassette that they're asking us to turn, which is down there, so we will turn that. And then once we've turned that, we will place it inside the machine, which has a little shutter there that will come up, and then that lets you place the cassette in, and then it does the cleaning. Then after placing it inside, step 6, we're asked to press the start button again, and then when it's given back to us, we take it out of there, turn that orange button again, so it's closing it up, and it should come back out to us ready to use again with some Camper Clean microgreen microbiological sanitary additive already in there to use. So then let's have a look. Let's just get started. So let's put the £2 in. 1, 2. Okay, so £2 in. We're going to select this one because that's the one we've got, and then we're going to press start. And now what we've got is we have the little chute up there opening. Then it's asking me to turn the valve, which I've done, and then to place the toilet cassette inside, as you would going into like that. And then once that's done, press button to start again, and then we have it. It's closing. So that's going to close down, deal with whatever is inside, churn it up, gobble it up, spit it out, and then give it a good clean. I'm going to come in closer just so we can start to hear. There we go. So there's obviously some mechanical things going on inside there. It's must have opened it up, and there you go. It seems to be sucking out the waste. Sorry, I don't know how else to describe it, and giving it a good pressure wash. This isn't the only way of emptying your camper or your caravan toilet on site. There are the traditional chemical disposal points, but this is just one of those extra gizmos that's there just to try and make things a lot cleaner. Okay, this has been going now for about 2 minutes. I assume we will be finished soon. So just to have a look at the bottom of the machine, it's made by Caravan Park Electrical Services Limited. That's their website, www.camperclean.co. So maybe worth looking them up on the internet, see if they're around on Twitter. It's just finished. We seem to be coming to the end. No, oh, there we go. Bit of another burble, and it sounds as if we might nearly be just about ready to come out. There we go, and the screen is lifting, and there we have the toilet cassette ready and clean. So there we have it, a nice clean toilet cassette. So the only thing that's left to do is to turn this back, and that closes it, so that's really good. And then that should mean, if we look inside here, there you go, you'll actually see some fluid already in there. So it's left the chemicals in the bottom ready for me. Put straight back into the Caravan, ready for use. That's it. That's your emptying and cleaning station for chemical toilets. I hope you found that informative. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button, because the more of you that subscribe and follow us and watch our videos, the more we can do. We can bring you more reviews on things for caravan sites, in caravan sites, we can reviews on motorhomes, caravans, and anything to do with travelling as well. Thanks very much, thanks for watching, and bye for now.